Why would you? We also still have to wear it to go back through the place to leave.
Oh no.
So hey guys, Rotten Reviews here from where's this?
Crestwood Coffee.
Crestwood Coffee Company. We're just doing a little quick review of this place. So Grim, what did you get?
I got the chai latte. Thank you, Brandy. I would have forgotten. I got the chai latte, and it's iced.
Is it good?
It's medium.
Is it good?
It's a medium.
What does that mean?
It's very good.
All right, and Brandy, what did you get?
I got a hot latte with a shot of caramel. It's really good.
It's really good.
It is also a medium.
I got a mocha.
Mocha.
Oh yeah, it's really good. And like, this place has a really cool atmosphere. It's very library in here. Like, you don't want to talk really loud because it seems like you're interrupting people. But the patio is pretty cool, and it's got all this cool art around. There's a plant right here.
Show me the fairies.
Yeah, there's
art.
There are these things on the wall. These little butterfly fairies.
Butterfly fairies.
And a unicorn.
Butterfly.
So yeah, just a little quick run through of.
You're stuck in my nose ring.
But yeah, so come to
Crestwood Coffee Company.
Crestwood Coffee Company and get you
They
some.
have butterflies.
They have buddy fairies.
Buddy
I say it wrong every time. I'm so stupid.
It's gonna be the dumbest review ever.
It's
So-
a little mini review.
Mini dumb
Coffee review. How much was all this? It was like $16.
Yeah. There's like 15 something.
It's 15 something for the
What
three different
sizes
ones we
did
got.
you get?
Medium.
Medium. We all got medium.
So,
It's
yeah.
very good though. It's delicious.
Come and check out Crestwood Coffee. Delicious stuff. Just, don't talk loud. It seems like you're out of place.
It's a library.
They have books in there, actually.
Yeah, they do
they
have
do.
books, and they have some really cool art, which we'll show some pictures
There's
of.
different tables set up in different places where a lot of people are sitting there on their computers doing stuff. So now masks
Typing
are
away.
required. Although it seems once you were sitting at a
Very
table,
important.
you don't need it.
Yes, be sure to bring your mask if you're going to come here to get some of this delicious coffee. There was one barista here, and he was doing a good job. There's a good
Yes.
handful of people waiting in line, so it probably gets busy on Sundays.
I ate the barista.
She ate the barista.
Oh, they had lots of neat-looking pastries and sandwiches too, but we had already eaten.
Yeah,
so-
we've already eaten. We can't even look at that stuff. It makes me want to die inside.
But we will have to come back sometime and try their pastries.
And that's right.
It was definitely a blueberry muffin and a cinnamon roll.
They had some scones.
And I saw a sausage, egg, and cheese sandwich.
A sussy.
It was so
A suscone. So yeah, we're going to sit here and drink our coffee in silence. Not likely.
I don't think.
So this is the patio from the other view. A lot of cool chairs and stuff out here, and little hanging lights. Look at that, and a Vespa. So yeah, we just got through with the Crestwood Coffee Company. This is just a little mini review. And the coffee was delicious. I loved my mocha.
I loved my latte.
I really liked my chai.
So yeah, you guys come check this place out. Stay rotten.
Stay
Stay
rotten.
rotten.